communicate in English, you could not survive in this modern era. In every sector, in all our surrounding us, every people used to speak in English, every people used to talk in English, walk in English. Whether it is a poor man, whether it is a businessman, whether it is a rich people or a poor people. Shopkeeper. Nowadays, everyone used to speak English. If you know how to speak English and how to understand English, you could easily get a job in every sector, like whether it is a call center, whether it is the saving department, whether it is a brokerage department, like construction department, in which you have to sell properties and etc. If you don't know how to communicate in English, you feel very uncomfortable in nowadays. Nowadays, people who don't know how to speak English, how to communicate English, they were like repent. I wish I could have to speak English and like etc. Nowadays, in every country, people used to speak English, whether it is a European country and Middle East country. If you go back to the other country like Middle East country, there is so many countries like UK, London and etc. If you go and went over there, if you don't know how to speak English, you feel like very uncomfortable and you could not survive in other countries. Nowadays in India, every people like to conversate themselves and communicate in English. In India, there is so many sectors. And like we can say that not so many sector, in every sector people used to speak English, whether it is studies like institutional coaching center or school college, whether it is working department like banking sector, airlines, railway department, excise department and many more. So now you don't know how to communicate in English, you could not survive in anywhere in this world. You have to know how to communicate in English and how to meet and greet people. By the help of English, we learn many things. Not only speaking about English, we learn manners, how to meet people and how to greet the people. If you meet any foreigners, you can see and you can observe how they communicate you with and how they meet and greet with you.